Hi students, we are moving on to another important area for geometry. So today we will be doing 3D drawing, and at the later part we will be sketching shapes. Okay, let's start with the first part. Okay, so moving on. So we are supposed to recognize the top view, front view, as well as the side view of a particular shape. So it's important to understand that the front view is here. That's the front view, and this is actually the side view, and this is the top view from the top. Okay, do understand that? So we are supposed to find out which diagram here, A, B, C, D, represent each of the shape. So maybe we'll look at one of them. Look at this first one. So the front view, I should have 6 squares. So there are three possible options here. So but which is the correct one? The side view, I only see 4 square. So the side view, only 4 square. So this seems like this is the only option, isn't it? And top view is 6 squares. So it seems like B is the correct one. So B, so I just link it, or this with this. That's the correct answer. So for the rest, I expect you to go and see for yourself, where is the top view, front view, and the side view. Okay, this is a very, very important skill to know. In fact, if you want to become an architect, you need to be able to see this 3D vision very well. Okay, moving on to the next part. So now you're given a top, front, and side view. You're supposed to do a sketch. Do use a ruler to do a sketch on this. So what you have seen is actually called an isometric drawing. So as much as possible, try to draw it accurately with a ruler. So unfortunately, I do not have a ruler with me, because virtually I can't do that. So if the front view is on this side, so since there are 8 cubes, so I'll draw 8 cubes here. And because I know the side view is four cubes, I'll put 4 cubes here. And from the top, I can actually see 8 cubes. So it's a very simple block that we have formed with 16 cubes. That's how it looks like it. I think it's quite easy for us to do. B and C is slightly more challenging, but why don't you give it a try, and then during our next lesson we can go through how to go about drawing that particular shape. Okay, so next part is regarding how to draw rectangle and square accurately. So okay, so from here we will need to follow the instruction given. So I will do a demonstration on how to draw a rectangle based on the instruction given, and then you can follow suit. You can do together. As you watch this video, you may want to draw it together with me. I leave it to you. So first and foremost, a line AB is given to you, and then we are told that we are supposed to use a pen, put a dot on the 90 degrees mark when we put a protractor with the line. Okay, so move it slowly. Okay, somewhere around here. Okay, so now we are supposed to draw a dot. So I'm going to draw a dot here. Drawing. I put a dot here. Okay. Okay, so in fact I got to go back to probably this part here. I'll put a dot here. Okay, put a dot here. Then next, I'll remove the protractor. I'll bring along the ruler. Match it against the dot with the corner. Match it together with the edge. Okay, it's about here. The dot. Okay, but we are only supposed to get 4 cm. So where's 4 cm? 4 cm is somewhere around here. Okay, so again, put it somewhere around here. 4 cm is somewhere around there. So I'll put another dot there. Next, I'm going to remove the ruler. Now I'm going to draw. So how to draw that line, which is 4 cm? I'm going to insert, shape, drawing. So because it starts from here, I need to draw a straight line to the corner point there. That's 4 cm. Okay, and how do I go about drawing the next point? So it's the same thing. I can use a protractor. I rotate it. Again, I put it against the point. Okay, yeah, somewhere around there. Looks good. So now I'm going to put another point here to actually match that is 90 degrees. Remove it. Now you got to find out how long is this line here. So this line here, you got to measure it. Okay, bear in mind this is not according to what you have in the book. So because it's not according to the reference size. So let's look at it. This one is probably around what, 10. It's about 10 cm, about 10 cm. So likewise, I move the ruler along. Okay, move the ruler along, align with that, and it's supposed to be 10 cm again. I put a dot on the 10 cm. Okay, go back again, remove it. Oh, where's the dot? Okay, let me see again. Let me put on the dot. The dot is here. Okay, and then skip. Why is the dot not appearing? Let me try one more time. Put a dot here, and then from here, and the dot is there. Keep it. So when I remove it, again I use a ruler to draw the line from this point to this point, align them around there. I go, maybe slightly too long. Okay, and then again we join the last side from this point to this point. Okay, so as you can see, it's not so easy. Oh no. Oh, what happened? Let me draw again. Straight line. Okay. Okay, so you can see it's not easy to draw lines virtually, isn't it? So you look something like this, okay guys? I'm sure you're using a book, pen and pencil and ruler. you can draw more accurately. Okay, so that's how you go about drawing the shape. So likewise, you are required to finish the next part in drawing a square given the information. Okay, so moving on to the next part. So the last part is actually like playing a game. So you're supposed to follow the instruction from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then H to find out what is the exact shape that you come up with the instruction. You know, with FD means forward drive, RT is right turn, left is left turn, LT is left turn. Okay, so just follow instruction. Like for this case, you know, from here you go forward 60 ml, so that's 60 ml. Each two gap is 10 ml, which is 1 cm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you make a right turn 90 degrees, then forward another 60 ml, so you can come here. So from here you move on following the instruction, and let's see what shape, what diagram you will come up with. Okay, so that's the last part of today's lesson already. So do complete the task. If you have any issue, just drop me a note on direct message. Okay, so I'll see you. Okay, bye bye.